Hi parents, meet the OCATO Baby Playpen, a foldable, portable play yard perfect for babies and toddlers. This playpen folds down to just 2 cubic feet, making it easy to store and carry anywhere. It features 50 colorful ocean balls, 4 hanging rings for standing practice, and a convenient storage bag. Made from safe, BPA-free 300D Oxford cloth, it's soft, durable, and easy to clean. The 27-inch high triangular structure is tested for safety and keeps your little one secure. A non-slip base works on any floor, indoors or outdoors, providing stable playtime fun. With breathable mesh walls and a spacious design, it's perfect for parent-child bonding and exploration. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.